So welcome to the RIU Palace, Baja, California. So this is the superior suite, the Oceanview version of the rooms. This is the highest floor layout that they have here at this hotel. So first, as soon as you walk in, you get to see like the ocean, like literally from both windows. Looks so amazing. So we're gonna take a look at that in just a second. But big difference between this and the regular room is just the size and so much more open layout, and it actually sleeps 4 people instead of just the 2. So starting over this way, if you turn from the right when you walk in, you see the bathroom. Okay, so it's right in here, and then just left of the bathroom you have the shower. So there's a nice rainfall shower here. And one big thing too from the regular junior suite is that the rainfall shower and the shower here in general is just a bit bigger and more open than the showers in the junior suites. Coming over this way, you get your hair dryer, which is standard in all the rooms, and then your double vanity sink just over here, and a nice little shelving unit underneath to put your stuff. Put your toothbrush, face wash, any kind of other toiletries that you have. So it's an awesome little spot to store things down there. The other thing we noticed too is that we use these little hooks to put our little travel companions. So we hang them from there and we can kind of put other stuff in there as well, like toothpaste, toothbrushes, deodorant, and things like that. Hello. Okay, so there's a mirror there you can use to while you're getting ready, and then some outlets, one here and one over there. And then another big cool staple piece in this room is the soaker tub. So it's cool, it's right in the middle of the room here, so there isn't a lot of privacy if you wanted to take a bath. And then over here is the king size bed. So they're nice, comfy mattresses. They're a little bit firm, just so you know, but they have beautiful headboard with a cool design here. And this is like the new design that RIU's doing now. They've got this sort of like color palette with this kind of softer colored woods, just like you see on the end tables and on the headboard here. And it kind of matches nicely with the hardwood flooring that they have installed on all the rooms as well. So over here you have a reading lamp that you can use. It's built in right in here. So there's a little switch you can switch on and off and use this to kind of aim it to where you want to while you're laying in bed. Also have some light switches here that control some of the lights in the room. Some other light switches too that control the little lamp there. And a USB outlet here too. There's some extra storage down here and end tables. And then on the other side, you have your phone, a similar kind of setup here where you have the outlet, USB, some lighting controls here, and then you have this one that controls the fan that's up here in this huge kind of vaulted ceiling where they have a nice lighting kind of at nighttime that would look really cool. And then looking over this way, you can see the TV in this dresser is right in the middle of the room. There's storage, so there's 6 big drawers you can put all your belongings in. The TV there, and then just to the right of it you can see all the different documentation you may need while you're on your vacation. So here's the spa and wellness, here's the service directory, and then the room service menu too. And then they always leave you little towel animals. So here's a little elephant, I think that's cute, and some kisses. So here's the TV here. And there's the sitting area, and if you take the TV, it actually flips right around and becomes a living room now. So there's your TV while you're hanging out and sitting on the couch here, which actually opens into a sofa bed too. So there's an extra bed, which is I think a queen or double-sized bed here, if you want to sleep another group of people or kids. And they have some artwork here, and then some more artwork here that matches the theme of the resort. I love this one. This one's actually in our room too. I don't know if they have them in all the rooms, but I think it's a really cool feature. And then just over here, there's a little dining room table where you have a couple seats. So if you had some room service, they'll bring in the room service and then bring it and set it up on the table here. So we actually did that one day. We got the room service and they came in and they set the table with napkins and knives and forks and put our plates. It was so cute. And there's another outlet just there as well if you need to use that for charging or working on your laptop. So just so you know, the outlets have North American style, and I believe this is the European style with double holes here. And then your thermostat is on the wall here. You can use the air conditioning. And this only works if you have your key card in the door, which is here, and your door to your balcony is shut. And then another upgraded feature for this room here is the walk-in closet. So there's some awesome storage here. You can put your luggage here, some more storage for shoes on the bottom. Tons and tons of area over here as well. Usually there's an iron that goes there as well. I just don't think it's in the, oh, it's up here actually. Here's the iron here. Here's your in-room safe that you can use to store all your valuables. Okay, and that's a standard in all the rooms. And then you have tons and tons of space and hangers to hang all your clothing or your jackets. And some extra storage up here. There's some more pillows and a comforter if you get cold in the bed at nighttime. So this is cool. This is a really neat feature, the walk-in closet. So that's only in the superior suite. And then lastly here, we have the mini bar. So we have a coffee maker here. We got an ice bucket with some glasses and some coffee cups with some instant coffee. And then standard to all RIU rooms are the mini bar that's included in your package. So they have some tequila, vodka, rum, and gin. And you can mix those in the glasses here with some of these things that are included in the mini bar. So here in the mini bar they have tonic water, some Dos Equis beer, all loaded up in the door of the fridge here. And then they have some soft drinks. So they have Diet Pepsi, and they have sparkling water or sparkling water here as well. And then they have some 7-Up, and then always stocked with large waters as well. All right, so last but not least, I'm gonna take you and show you the view here. So you can already see there's the famous mountains and rock work in the background there. And it's a beautiful day here today. It's like 24 degrees or so. And the sun is shining. The water is crystal clear. And this is RIU Palace, Baja, California. So you'll probably have noticed we have another video up that I'll put up in the screen right now and down in the description, that we did a whole tour of all the different pools and resort grounds, so you can find that in that other video there. But just as a quick little snippet, there's some loungers over here, there's a bar pool here, there's an infinity edge pool over here, and down on the beach there's some chairs as well to relax. There's not much shade on the beach, but over here is the volleyball court. Here's another relaxation pool here, and then some more seating along the back, which we find actually really good. In case it gets windy, it stays quite calm down in this area right here. There's actually our stuff right there. And then over here, there's Pepe's Food, another bar just in here. And then on the other side, you can't quite see it, but there's a pool there with another pool bar and some relaxing chairs there. RIU Fits right there. And then if you can kind of see, you can see the RIU Santa Fe just beside it. And then further along, you can see this is the RIU Palace, Cabo, San Lucas. So we're gonna do some tours of those resorts as well, which you can find down in the description or on the screen right now. But let's take in this view here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So there isn't any today, but usually there's some cruise ships over here, and I'll put a picture up on the screen right now of one of the cruise ships that came into port while we were on our stay. And then over here is Cabo San Lucas, the downtown. So you can go into the downtown, which we're planning on doing a little bit later on in our vacation. So that's gonna be it. I'll leave you with this view here. So thanks for watching our superior suite from the RIU Palace, Baja, California, and Cabo San Lucas. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.